Hello everyone. So today is 28th of April 2020, which is number 9. So I did post a lot of videos related to your body movement and related to your dance, related to Hanuman Chalisa and a lot of stuff. I hope you might be doing that stuff for managing your Mars energy. As we all are aware, Mars is staying in Capricorn with other 4 planets, and it is responsible for your anger. It's responsible for the fire element in you. If you want to balance it, then you need to do a bit of body movement for checking into your Mars energy. So with this, let's start with two kind of cards. I have divided the cards into two areas. One are spiritual cards, which are Keepers of Light, normal tarot deck, and third one is like Archangel Michael messages for your spirituality. Okay, so if you talk about your spirituality, then these are the cards. Okay, and if we talk about your materialistic wealth and materialistic well-being, then I have these cards where normal tarot deck and the Keepers of Light and the normal Archangel Michael cards are divided. Okay, so this. So with a stuti to Hanumanji, that Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha, Om Shri Hanumate Namaha, Om Shri Jai Shri Ram, and with the blessings of Archangel Michael and Keepers of Light, let's start the reading for today. So now in morning we had a different set of reading which I will follow till the time our lockdown is over. So let me see how many people can join in and how many people can just be here for the readings. So let me try inviting a few of them. So I think I'm done. My hands are hurting now. So let's see. So by the time you guys join in, so let me just display this book for all of you. Hopefully this book you'll be able to see it. I need to have a stable base behind it. Okay. Thing behind it, and you can ask questions related to your spirituality as well as related to your materialistic wealth. So your questions can be divided into two parts. One could be your spirituality, other could be your materialistic wealth. So I have divided tarot deck, Keepers of Light and Archangel Mike deck parts, where one part determines your spirituality and other part determines your materialistic wealth. Okay, it's goody bag for you. So these are the two kind of divisions. So what you need to do, you need to ask your question with your date of birth, need to share this video on your timeline so that everybody is aware of this distinction which I have done. And I came up with some special kind of thing based upon the years of experience I have. Like 14 years I am into these learnings and all. I have recently started taking workshops as well as online classes and going live, taking consultations, and I revised my fee also recently, where I take 3 sessions, 15,000 each, where I apply different modalities for your benefit. So the number which you can contact me is 7011560905, and do not worry, your things will go on track. Okay, so let's see about COVID. So the COVID situation, we are not aware whether everything will be fine on 3rd of May. According to me, it will not, because Venus will go retrograde 18th or 28th. So 29th of May things will start improving in India. So let's see what the cards are saying about it. So here, Page of Pentacles. It basically says that 1st of June. Okay, why I am saying June? Because I am aware that 28th of May things will not improve. 29th, 30th you will see the changes, and 1st of June you will see a lot of changes happening. Okay, let's go into the June part again. So let's see what the Keepers of Light are saying about the June. Okay, Diana. Diana is a very positive card which basically states that focused intention. It basically says that think about what you desire, set your sights high, expect the best possible outcome for June. So 1st of June things will be much better. Okay, let's see what the Archangel Michael is saying. I'm taking the spiritual cards out. Okay, so Archangel Michael is saying this. Okay, which is focus upon divine and perfect health. Obviously, we are talking about COVID 2019, so it's God and Archangel Michael. Thank you for continuously reminding me to focus upon perfect health and for guiding my actions so that I can support my well-being. So you are important, okay? You are important. If you take care of yourself, then definitely your family will be taken care of and your friends and your community will be taken care of. So let's take out what the materialistic cards are saying about the timelines. Okay, let's talk about the May end. Okay, not May 3rd, because we are aware that it will be revised. Okay, here we go. 4. Emperor has taken the decision. Emperor could be your Prime Minister of India and the heads of departments or like CMs of different states. So it's 4. What do you mean by 4? They will take a decision on 4th of May. Oh, it's 6, sorry. They will take a decision in June, which is 6, okay? So it will not be 4th of May, it will be June. So with June, so what changes will come in your environment? Let's see. Here we go. 3. So 3rd of June, things will be much better. So there'll be a lot of, people will meet each other, they will greet each other, they will hug each other. So opportunities will come flying in June. So okay, I'm struggling to keep these cards separate. I need to put them back in this. Okay, so let's see. So what the Keepers of Light are saying about June, I have predicted like it would be in June that things will start happening. COVID 2019 will go out and Emperor will take a decision for June. It would be 3rd of June when things will be much clearer because your Rahu will be debilitated by 90%. Shadashtra will be lowered down and there'll be a lot of career opportunities coming to Bharat. Okay. So let's see what the Keepers of Light are asking about it. It's bridge, like inner strength. Okay, how wonderful the card can be. Move back to the wholeness, recognize that you have the power. Bharat will understand that they have power in June. Okay, most probably they might also come up with some kind of remedy because they have come up with plasma transplantation. They might also come up with some kind of remedial measures, which is Mahavatar Babaji. Okay, means moving next to the next level, to the Mahaguru kind of level. So these, let's see what the Archangel Michael is saying about this June situation. Abhi ek mahine ke liye be gentle with yourself. Do not be agitated if Government of India asks you to stay back home. This is for your own safety. Okay. So these are the cards. So if you have any questions, type in with your date of birth, share this video in your timeline, and I will you specify whether it's related to spirituality or materialistic wealth, and I will take out the cards based upon that because I have divided my cards based upon the intuition which I got in morning. So tarot cards and Keepers of Light card and Archangel Michael cards have been divided into two parts. Like one are like related to spirituality, other is materialistic wealth. Spirituality is one thing, like religion, not religion, it's spirituality is about your inner power, about your soul. Then if we talk about your materialistic wealth, is about your career, it's about relationship, about your health, about something which you are trying to achieve in the materialistic world. So if you have any question, type in the comment section with your date of birth, and if you want to have a personal consultation, you can just send me a WhatsApp message at 70111560, which is my WhatsApp number, where I charge 15,000, which is a huge sum. I charge that amount for the consultation, and I charge that amount for the consultation if you want to take it online, and I divide into different parts. First part takes care of your aura, second part takes care of your inner subconscious mind, and third session will take care of your past life as well as your materialistic things, which will cover your relationship, health and your career. Okay, do not make it that fast, because the changes which comes first, it comes to your inner self. As per psychology, it takes about 21 days 7 days or 10 days sessions which you need to take. Spend on yourself. Spend on yourself. That is important. This 1 month which is left will never come back. You will be busy in June. You will be busy in July. So this will not come back. Atif and Himanshu Singh. Okay. So this time will never come back. Invest on yourself. Invest on yourself. That is very, very important. Okay. So I'm getting calls. Okay. So invest in yourself. If you want to ask a quick question, do that. If you want to ask a quick question, please do that. Please type in the comment section, and I will reply back to you with the answer. Do share this video in your timeline. That is very, very important. Okay. So do that, please. So I'll wait for your comments. Let's see what your spirituality or materialistic wealth. Two kind of questions you can ask. Okay. So I'll answer to obviously one question, and if you want the rest, I will type in my number. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. Let's see if I have something in the clipboard. No, it is not there. So I'm sharing my number for your WhatsApp consultations. So you can always talk to me, and you can always send me the messages, and let me share this thing where you can join my group also, and you can guys ask questions in the comment section, please. So but this card is from, okay, now I remember the cards at least. These are the positive ones. I need to put them back here. No, it is not about positive and negative. It's about what you want in your life. You can go for spiritual awakening, and you can go to Himalayas. You can also go to Himalayas to build a 5-star hotel. So that's the difference. So you can focus on what you want, and nothing is good or bad. It depends upon, don't be judgmental. I have divided this card because I was getting it difficult, because I used to have different consultations where I used to get mixed kind of cards, like person is spiritual, person is like angry, person wants wealth, person wants health, person wants relationships, person wants God also. So you need to focus and divide the attention into one direction, because that's what we do all the time. Right now you are, a lot of things are happening, okay, but you are also thinking, like you are also listening consciously, but subconsciously auto programming is happening. So so this is what we are about. So I have waited enough. If I have shared my number also, so it's better not to wait too much, because now it's Sai Baba Aarti time, like he needs to sleep in 15 minutes. So with 10:12, thank you so much for watching, and keep sharing, keep caring. Thank you. And come up with your question next time. Okay, I don't know who the person is watching constantly, but yes, thank you. You can follow me on YouTube. You can follow me on TikTok. Not TikTok. TikTok I like. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for Arvind Kumar Kohar, and you can follow me. You can send me a messages or WhatsApp messages. I might reply back to you instantly, but definitely within 12 hours I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.